Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Garwa Diva, a representative from SMP Negeri 2 Cicalengka. Here I will tell you about the book entitled Making Your Dream of Establishing a Library Come True by Didit Budi Ananda. The thickness of this book, 96 pages. This book was published in the year 2009. Once upon a time in Akadunwangi village, there lived a small family. There was a child who liked to read. His name was Rahardi. Rahardi lived with his older sister and mother, while their father migrated out of town to Surabaya to be precise. Rahardi loves to read. He even collects a lot of reading books. In his house, there are two cupboards full of books from his collection. Rahardi is a smart and disciplined child. He was even able to start a salted egg business with his mother. He found out how to make salted eggs in a book he read. One day, KKN students came to Kedungwangi village and started a meeting in the village. Rahardi kept quiet big, and the next day he expressed his desire to build a library in his village to the KKN students. He wanted to build a library in his village so that the children in the village will be authentic about reading books. After going through many obstacles and struggles, Rahardi finally succeeds in establishing a library in his village, assisted by KKN students and the local community. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.